Hi guys, welcome to your favorite channel CreativeAlys. Like always, CreativeAlys comes up with another great logo design tutorial for you. As you all know that we're in the midst of Olympic Games Tokyo 2020. This video will tell you the amazing tip to recreate the tricky Tokyo 2020 Olympics logo very quickly by using Adobe Illustrator. Before we start, just make sure you have subscribed this channel. If not, hit the subscribe button now and click on the bell icon to ensure you get all the creative tips, tricks, graphic design freebies, surprising tutorials for Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop and much more. Now, let's get started. We are using this Olympic Games Tokyo logo image as a reference, and I will let you know the creative tip through which we can recreate this complex logo very quickly. See, if you look at this logo, there are squares, rectangles, horizontal and vertical bars, plus it has multiple numbers of shapes at different places. Now look, if we focus on it, we will notice, it is a repetition of a bunch of shapes, 3 times. This is the bunch, which is rotated thrice around a circle. What we will do is, only create this set of shapes once and duplicate this set to rotate around circle, and we will be done with it. So, let's start. First, we will create a shape over the edges of the emblem to get the center point and make its opacity down to have the logo visible for recreation. Now start creating this bunch of shapes using the rectangle tool. You'll notice that there are only 3 shapes used, a square, a rectangle, and a bar in different directions. So, we can just create one for each shape and duplicate that by pressing and holding Alt and dragging the shape with the mouse click. Then, make it at specific angle easily by using Rotate tool's center mark. Now that we have created this set of shapes, we will duplicate and rotate it around circle twice. Select all these shapes and make a group. Using Rotate tool, press and hold Alt and click on the center mark of the gray square we had initially created to cover the Tokyo Olympics emblem edges. We will have a Rotate dialog box appeared. In Adobe Illustrator, you can also use basic mathematical signs like plus, minus, multiplication, division, etc., to perform operations quickly and more effectively. So here, as we have to rotate this bunch of shapes thrice, we put here 360/3 to make a division, and instead of OK, we will click on Copy to make a copy of this bunch to the new angle. You have noticed that the shapes at new angle exactly match the original emblem. So now, we only a third part of the emblem remaining, and what we will do is only press Ctrl+D, or Command+D, in macOS, to duplicate the most recent operation performed, which was to rotate the selected bunch at 120-degree angle with center point of the gray square shape, and we're done with the Tokyo Games 2020 logo design. Now, we will be creating Olympics interlocking rings. Use Ellipse tool to create the circles on the rings and increase their stroke value to match of the rings. I am already done with the logo text and trademark symbol in vector to save the time. So, let's place them below the emblem to finalize the things. Use eyedropper tool to pick the color of the original Tokyo Games logo. Now we are going to finalize the Olympic rings to have the interlocking look. Select all the rings and move to the menu Objects, click on Expand, to convert the strokes to outlines. Then, from Pathfinder panel, using Divide feature, you can easily make them look interlocking rings. I have described in another video that how you can pick any color from a raster image. Check this out. Finally, we are done with the exact recreation of the Olympic Games Tokyo 2020 logo design. I hope you enjoyed this logo design tutorial very much. I appreciate your valuable feedback in the comments section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel, if you have already not. Stay tuned for the next exciting video. Until then, goodbye. Take care and have a great time. Of course, get vaccinated at your earliest to stay safe.